Hello, friends. In this episode, I would like to talk briefly about stroke. And if you get a stroke second time, it's more challenging. First stroke itself is very challenging, and second stroke is more challenging. So you have to take precautions, and you have to avoid second stroke, and then you have to check diabetes, and you have to check hyper tension, and I mean, we in India we call blood pressure. We have to check blood pressure regularly, and we need to take blood thinner, which we call it as aspirin, so that we can avoid to check. We have to avoid this stroke. Why I am telling you about these aspects is that I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. During the second lockdown in India, I collapsed. In fact, my wife and I were. My wife and I had uh, 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 COVID. My wife recovered. Even I was about to recover from the COVID. Unfortunately, I collapsed. I didn't know what was happening, and my wife and my younger son took me to hospital, and I was shifted to three ambulances. And at that time, the situation was very critical and very challenging. Lack of beds, lack of cylinders, and we didn't have money, and it's very tough and very challenging. And uh, then I was taken to hospital. Then I was kept in the ICU, and this was the uh, biggest challenge in my life. I had two major challenges. I had business challenges in the year 2007, and 2021 was the second blow in my life, which is more challenging than business challenges, because business challenges will come and go away, that is different. But this brain stroke, it adversely affected, and my right portion of the body was totally paralyzed, and doctors thought that I won't survive, but I survived because of the power of subconscious mind. Because I'm a fitness freak for more than 40 years. I'm going to gym, and despite all the things, I collapsed, and doctors thought that I won't survive, but I proved the doctors wrong, and I am alive. And second thing was that doctors thought that I won't be able to get up from the bed. Then again, I proved the doctors wrong, that I started walking. So for 2 weeks, I had challenges. Then I was discharged from hospital, and it was total exploitation in the uh, hospitals at that time, because yeah, this bills were very high, and a lot of money was demanded by the doctors. It was very challenging, and we didn't have money, and luckily my younger son paid the bills, and so um, uh, and I was discharged, and I was at home, and then physiotherapist was called, and under the supervision of a physiotherapist, and I started doing exercises, and then at that time there was a huge demand for a physiotherapist at that time, because there was a second lockdown. It was very challenging, it was very expensive, but my younger son had paid the bills, and for a month I did physiotherapy exercises, and gradually I started recovering. So for 1 year, I didn't go to gym. Usually, I have been hitting gym for more than 40 years. So for 1 year, I had some memory issues, and I was repeating the same thing, and it's very challenging, and I was behaving like a kid. so very challenging. Actually, I'm basically another researcher and philosopher, and things went wrong, and COVID changed everything, and COVID taught us many lessons for everyone in the world that life is fragile, anything can happen at any time. And in India itself, around many people died because of the COVID, the loss of lives, very challenging. So now, what I would like to share with everyone is that be resilient, never give up. Everything is possible, and when you have this stroke in America, there are too many strokes, and maybe because of the lifestyle, or maybe because of the health challenges. Levels, so strokes are high in India, also strokes are rising, so it's very challenging. So I also did little bit of research. I came to know that I was taking too much of salt, that led to high hypertension, that led to this stroke, and my right side the portion was paralyzed. So this was the reason. I didn't know that, and if I took aspirin, probably I could have avoided, but we didn't know, and I didn't have any health card, I don't have any pension, I don't have any income, and so lots of challenges. So I thought this too shall pass, and luckily I came out of the challenge, and I'm visiting government hospital periodically. And doctors said that I had to be very much careful. I had to take blood thinner, so that I can avoid stroke for the second time. So these are all the challenges. This is life. So take care of your health. My message to everyone is that health first, education second, and wealth third. Express gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. Empathize with others, and keep moving, and keep rocking, and consult a doctor, and call ambulance, and take your own precautions. And money comes and goes, but health is everything. Health is supreme. So emphasize mental health. I request you to consider subscribing my channel and sharing with your networks, with gratitude.